growth and usage of AI. So I'm sure it isn't a surprise to you, given you're attending this session, but shockingly, in just 7 years, the AI software market grew to a $100 billion industry. And next year, it's predicted to be a $125 billion industry. Astounding. I mean, in the next decade, incredibly, it's projected to be 13 times that growth rate. And right now, today, 83% of companies across all markets are stating AI as a top priority. So just think, if I had put this subject out about 3 years ago, I probably wouldn't have had most of you attending. It would have been something in its infancy, something to think about as a future state. So astoundingly, now we have to recognize it's the fastest growing technology we have seen in decades. That means the train has already left the station, and it's a bullet train, so you better be on board. That takes us to our everyday use cases within Microsoft Partner Marketing. There are so many ways now that you can use AI to help work alongside you in marketing, from preliminary research to analysis to even natural language processing chatbots. All of these are great, but you have to know how to use them. AI is great at content generation when you know how to use it effectively. Of course, I'm sure if you play around with AI to date, you'll know AI is always a first draft. It's never something you put directly into market. And why? Why wouldn't you? Well, with so many Microsoft partners adopting AI at an increasingly astounding rate, we're also seeing that blog posts and content pieces are sounding exactly the same. So I'm not talking about using AI to pollute the internet with more of the same. This is where we start with effective AI usage to make sure your content stands out and rises above the rest.